This is it. Buy number 100. I said make it legendary. Michael Saylor, blow the doors off. Well, Strategy just announced 592 Bitcoin purchased for $40 million at an average price of $67,000 per Bitcoin. Their total holdings now stand at 717,722 Bitcoin on the balance sheet. The funding? Almost $40 million came from the MSTR common stock. No preferred equities were sold. They deployed it all into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently trading at $66,000, so Saylor bought right near current prices. But here's the thing. 592 Bitcoin? For milestone 100? That's the smallest buy since January 26th. To put this in perspective, 592 Bitcoin is almost the entire Bitcoin treasury of Melius, Brazil's first Bitcoin treasury company. That's a respectable stack, and no slight to Melius, building any Bitcoin treasury requires conviction. But this is buy number 100, the milestone, the kickoff to strategy world, the moment every Bitcoin treasury enthusiast marks off on their calendar. And Saylor bought 592 Bitcoin. Last week, 2486. In the week before, 1142 Bitcoin. This week's 592 for the big one? What happened? Let's talk supply dynamics. Look at the gap between these lines. The orange line is Strategy's cumulative purchases. The black line is the mine supply. And that gap is the supply vacuum. In this 6-day period, Strategy bought 592 Bitcoin, while miners produced 2,700 Bitcoin. That's 22% of new weekly supply, which is down significantly from the 69% they absorbed last week. Year to date, Strategy has accumulated 45,222 Bitcoin, while miners have produced 24,300 Bitcoin. They're still buying at nearly 2x the mining rate, but the pace has been dropping hard. This week, Strategy took their foot off the gas for milestone 100. So what's going on? Possibility 1. Balance sheet discipline. MSTR stock is down over 70% from its highs. Raising capital at these levels is harder. Maybe the amplification ratio is being managed more carefully as it sits near 35%. Possibility 2. This is the new normal. Maybe 500 to 1,000 Bitcoin per week is the sustainable pace moving forward. I don't know which it is, but I do know this. I expected more from buy number 100. Here's what I'm watching. 1. Does buy 101 accelerate, back up, or is this the new baseline? 2. Bitcoin's at 66,000. If we drop to 60K, does Strategy go big again? 3. The supply vacuum is still positive, nearly 2x the mining supply year to date, but the gap stopped widening this week. And 4. MSTR stock reaction. Will the market care that buy 100 was so small? STRF and STRC are both trading near their par values of $100. If we see some increased demand here, look for Strategy to tap the preferred stock ATMs. Buy number 100 is in the books. It wasn't what I expected, but Strategy is still out there stacking, and they're not selling. And the supply vacuum continues. If you found this valuable, smash the like button and subscribe. For real-time tracking of every Bitcoin treasury company, subscribe to the BitcoinTreasuries.net newsletter. The link is in the description. I'm Tyler, and don't forget to stay orange. See you next Monday.